In the previous class, we have already done till exercise number F. So let us move to exercise number G. Before this is their exclamatory sentences. Let me revise what are exclamatory sentences. We all know that an exclamatory, it is just a revision. You all have studied in the previous classes. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence which is used to show feelings and emotions, okay? Like it shows the feeling of happiness. It shows the feeling of sadness, surprise, shock, wonder, okay? So these type of sentences, the exclamatory sentences, shows you strong feelings and emotions. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And it begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Only this much is there that you have to understand. So we have already done this in the in your life on your in your physical classes. So it is just a revision. Okay.
Okay,
What are
sir.
exclamatory sentences? These type of sentences are used to express strong feelings and emotions. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
see the example here. The above sentences transforms into exclamatory sentences. See what a beautiful girl she is. Okay, it is
Yes.
showing the feeling of praise. Okay, and then what a beautiful girl. Somebody is praising someone. Okay, and so that we have put exclamation mark. Understood? It is showing feelings and emotions. Now the painting is wonderful. It is assertive sentence. Now see the next sentence. How wonderful the painting is. The painting is wonderful. It is simple sentence. Now how wonderful the painting is. The person is surprised. The person is happy. Joy is being shown. How beautiful, how wonderful the painting is. Understood? This is the difference between
Yes,
assertive
sir.
sentence and exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentences are simple sentences, and exclamatory sentences shows you strong feelings and emotions. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, we have an exercise with us. That is exercise number
G.
D. Yes. Okay. Now, the first question, the question says, rearrange the words to make exclamatory sentences and you have to punctuate them. Okay. Lovely, what
Yes, sir.
are you have house?
What a lovely house you
You
have.
have.
Yes. What a lovely house you have. Write down. What a lovely house you have. Exclamation mark. It is written right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down. What a lovely house you have. Exclamation mark. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 2 says, what that painting is perfect.
Now, what a perfect painting is that?
What a perfect painting that is. Or is that? What a perfect painting
Is that?
That is. Both are correct.
Okay, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how been the day has wonderful.
Now, how the day has been wonderful.
See again.
Now, how the day has been wonderful.
Pranjal, you say.
How wonderful day the bean has.
Wrong.
So this is right. How the day has
How
been
wonderful the day has been.
Sir, the days have been wonderful.
No. How wonderful the day has been. 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 Write it.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All have written?
Yes, sir.
Now, the next question says, okay, the next question says,
What
beautiful,
a beautiful
what art piece it
piece
is.
it is.
Now, what a beautiful
What
art
a
piece
beautiful
it
art
is.
piece it is.
What a beautiful
Art piece it is.
art piece it is. Very good. What a beautiful art piece it is.
Yes.
क्या चाहिए मैं दे दे रही हूँ.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Now, Pranjal will tell the next answer.
Yes, sir.
Noise, how great the was.
How the great noise was.
No, wrong. Avni, you tell.
How great the voice nice.
No, no.
So can I?
Yes, Tamanna.
How the great was noise.
No. Aditya.
How noise. The noise how great was.
No, 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 no. No. How great was the noise?
The noise was how great.
How great was the noise? Exclamation mark. How great was the noise? How great was the noise? Exclamation mark. Written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, performance, it was marvelous. What a.
So what it was a marvelous performance.
No, wrong. Pranjal.
What marvel was it a performance?
Wrong. Avni.
It is marvel that
Wrong. It is marble or it is marvelous? You tell me. Aditya.
marvelous.
Aditya, you tell.
What a marvelous was performance.
Wrong. Try. Tamna, you are mostly correct. Just at one place you are wrong. Try again, Tamanna.
Okay, sir. What was Sir, what was a marvelous
No, 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 no,
performance
no, no.
it
What a marvelous performance it was. What a marvelous performance it was. What a marvelous performance it was. Write down. What a marvelous performance. Avni, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What a marvelous performance it was. Done?
Yes, sir.
Done now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question says, the last question. What loud noise a car that making is? Pranjal.
What loud noise that car making is.
Wrong.
So what is that car making a noise loud?
No. Avni.
Sir, what
Loud noise a car was making.
Yes, Aditya.
Sir,
Sir,
what
what
loud noise car making.
a car making.
What Avni is partially correct. Only one thing she has missed. Good, Avni. What a loud noise the car is making. What a loud noise the car is making. What a loud noise the car is making.
What a loud noise that
Study exclamatory sentences once again. You all are getting confused.
is.
Okay? if you have
Yes,
any
sir.
problem, and then I will explain you again.
Okay,
Is it
sir.
clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now, done.
Yes, sir.
Next comes is transformation of sentences. How to transform sentence? It means how to change sentences. Okay? How to
Okay.
change sentences from interrogative to assertive, or assertive to interrogative, or imperative to exclamatory, or exclamatory to imperative. Any change it can happen. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, read. The transformation of a sentence means changing its form without altering its meaning. It means that the transformation means change in sentences without changing the actual meaning of the sentence. Okay? Just change the form of sentence, but the meaning of sentence should not get changed. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, the first point is written here: transformation of an exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence. How can you transform an exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence? Very easy. What a wonderful opportunity. Okay. How you will write? It was a wonderful opportunity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, transformation of or transforming an interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Isn't reading better than watching television? Okay. Isn't means is it not? Is it means is it not? See, if it is a positive statement, positive question, you convert into negative. And if it is negative, you convert into positive. See here.
Okay, sir.
Here. What is written? Wait,
Sir,
let
in
me-
example 2.
See example 2. See, isn't, it means is it not. Is it means is it not. Isn't reading a better than watching television? Isn't reading better than watching television? So what answer will write? Reading is better than watching television. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, next is transforming imperative sentence into interrogative sentence. Please give me some water. This is your imperative sentence.
Imperative sentence.
And how can you change it into exclamatory into interrogative sentence? Will you please give me some water? Okay, see, if there is no verb, if you don't find any helping verb, so you add WH question. I told you na, adding
Yes.
WH question. So it is WH question only.
and auxiliary word.
Yes. Will you please give me some water? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us come to exercise number H. Exercise H says, transform the given sentences into the forms as indicated in the bracket. Lend me your book. The answer is, could you lend me your book? Question mark. You have to change it into interrogative sentence. Write it down.
Yes, sir.
Could you lend me your book? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next exercise says, the next question says, okay. See, it says that scarcely had I finished my dinner when the guests arrived. Scarcely had I finished dinner. You have to use as soon as in the sentence.
I finished. I finished dinner when the guest arrived.
See, you have to use as soon as in the sentence. Who will try?
Sir, scarcely.
No, no.
Scarcely I had
Scarcely,
finished.
scarcely will not come here. Scarcely. Here you have to use as soon as. As soon as.
As soon as I finished my dinner, when
Very
the
good.
guest arrived.
Very good. Very good. As soon as I finished dinner, the guest arrived. As soon as I finished dinner, the guests arrived. Okay?
Yes, sir.
As soon as I finished dinner, the guests arrived. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now,
When guest
written.
Yes, sir.
This is a lovely gift. Exclamatory sentence.
The third one. Sir, third one.
Yes, sir. Will she ever tired
Okay,
of
okay. Will she ever tired of listening to music? Assertive sentence. Will she ever tired of listening?
listening to this music.
What?
Sir, she will
Ever will
ever
change into?
tired of listening to this music.
Okay, just a small change. She will never. Okay? She will never be tired of listening to this music. She will never be
Never.
tired of listening to this music. Okay?
Yes.
She will never be tired of listening to this music. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Now, next question. This is a lovely gift! Exclamatory sentence.
Sir,
Yes.
what a lovely gift.
What a lovely gift.
Sir, what a lovely gift.
After that,
Yes, sir.
this is. What a lovely gift this is. Okay?
Yes,
What
sir.
a lovely gift this is. Done?
Yes, sir.
Done, students? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
that's all for today's class. I will share with the PDF of the remaining answers. You have to write it in your copy and book, whatever as per the instructions I give you. Okay. I will share with the PDF in book and copy. You have to write it in your fair copy. Am I clear? Fair copy or book?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? And if I tell you the
Yes,
exercise
sir.
to write in copy, it means you have to write a question also. Don't copy down the answers directly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, this
Yes,
is
sir.
work. You have to write down the PDF. Okay, whatever PDF I will share, you have to write down in your English language book copy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear?